welcome back. So today I'll be cleaning, or not cleaning, well yeah, I will be, but after the fact. I'll be removing the Plasti-Dip from these BBS wheels. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. After watching a couple videos on what would be best for that, went with this Goo Gone stuff. So apparently I'll just be spraying and praying, really. Just spraying and praying this is gonna come off, rubbing it off. I've got my handy dandy gloves here. And before I get started, I do want to give a shout out to Maximilian and Broke Again for my new subscribers. Thank you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. Let me get my setup here, right here. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, almost there. I wonder if I can figure out a time lapse of some sort. Definitely not professional. All right. Boop, boop. There we go, that's much better. All right. Oh, let's see how this goes. Hope I don't break my back. That would suck. You might be asking, what about the Subi? Oh no, it's gone. Yeah, it goes places. More on that in the coming videos. But I think I'll start with something small here. I'm just kidding. Nothing to be afraid of. Still got it. We'll have it for a very long time. These are my barbecuing gloves. I love these gloves. Give me a little bit of hassle today, but whatever. I normally don't. All right. Speaking of barbecuing, burned myself on my firebox. All right. They say just let it sit. So I'm gonna do that. While that sits, I'm gonna come over here. Looks like this one's already started to peel a little bit. So right there might be an easy opening. And I don't know how many of these bottles I'll be using. You will soon find out. Maybe we can do some sort of time lapse or something. I hope this isn't staying garage floors. Oh, it's gonna kill me. I didn't really think about that until I did this just now. I did see a lot of videos where they just use the pressure washer from those car washes. Seem to work pretty well. But I don't feel like doing all that. So I'm going with the good old rubbing style here. That's not coming off as good as I thought it would, as well as I thought it would. Oh wait a second. Okay. Wow, they put a lot of coats on these wheels, which is good. Good for what they were going for. Bad for what I want to do. And remove this stuff. to do with it. What to do with it. Looks like I'm already a good ways through this bottle too. Glad I got two. If I get fed up, I may just drive myself down to that nearby car wash, throw them in the runner. All right. Everyone, this is not working well. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a second. There we go. Look at that. All right. This is going to take a lot more effort than I thought it would. Maybe a lot more towels, too. Yeah, I don't think you guys want to sit here and watch me do this, so I'm going to figure out a time lapse. Or just make it a short video. It might be the easier route for you guys. And maybe combine it with another something? Who knows? This is not as easy as I thought it was going to be. Because I am scrubbing the crap out of this stuff. You know, the pressure washer doesn't sound so bad. Yeah, that was painful. That was painful. So here I am at the car wash. Painful, I tell you. And I'm hoping this machine. Alright, good. It doesn't look like it's out of service. Alright. Best put a 5 in it instead. I feel like I'm at Chuck E. Cheese. All right, so I just need this machine to work. It's been a journey. That's not loud. Is that right? Did I put? Is it working? Oh, it's working. All right, time to start putting them out. I'll be right back. All right, so I was able to take off most of it. It cost me about $10 in quarters, and that's not good enough. So I'm gonna try another place. Because, you know, I'm tired of going back and getting cash. And, I mean, for the most part, it's pretty good. I'm going to try to get a little bit better, though. So, until the next stop. Oh, and I got really, really wet socks. Guess where we're at? Back at HQ. Same day. Look at this. So this is probably the worst one, actually. And, actually... it's not that bad. There's a couple back there. I mean, there's some thicker stuff here, but I know I can get that off. It's just gonna take some time. But yeah, for the most part, they are all pretty damn good. So, yeah, Goo Gone and the power pressure washer at car washes work. So it didn't take long. Actually, it took a couple hours, but not bad. A couple hours and about $10 and change. No, $20. Oof, sounds a lot when I say it out loud. And the good old Goo Gone stuff right there. But all right, guys, that'll do it for now. Thanks again for subscribing. Feel free to comment below. Let me know what you think. Cheers.